Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting, how to use Kling AI Motion Control for free. If you're into AI videos, animation, or content creation, this is going to blow your mind. So first, what is Kling AI? Kling AI is a powerful tool that lets you create realistic motion videos using artificial intelligence. You can control how characters move, how scenes play out, and even generate cinematic-style clips, all with simple inputs. And the best part? You can actually try it without paying anything. Now let's talk about motion control. Motion control means you can guide the movement inside your AI-generated video. Instead of random animations, you can decide things like camera movement, character actions, scene transitions. This gives you way more creative power, especially if you're making YouTube content, reels, or storytelling videos. How to use it for free? First, sign up on the Kling AI platform. Sometimes they offer free credits or trial access, so keep an eye on that. Once you're in, start by choosing a video generation option, then explore the motion control settings. You can experiment with prompts like a person walking in slow motion or cinematic drone shot over mountains. Then adjust the motion controls to get the exact feel you want. One tip: don't expect perfect results instantly. AI tools need some trial and error. Play around with settings, test different prompts, and you'll start getting amazing results. Why should you use Kling AI? Because it saves time, boosts creativity, and helps you create professional-looking videos even if you're a beginner. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Keep creating, keep exploring.